what we offer at NHTSA is an assessment, which is a tool that states can request voluntarily to have subject matter experts come in from other states and evaluate and basically look at strengths, opportunities, weaknesses, and develop a blueprint that states can then use to improve their statewide motorcycle safety programs.
Actually, the whole process probably started at least a couple of months ago, and once the team was named on who was going to come to Texas and do this assessment, we were provided read-ahead materials and all kinds of information to start formulating our plan and the kinds of questions that we would ask once we were here. Then getting here over the course of 2.5 days or 3 days, people representing different entities within the state, dealing somewhat peripheral and sometimes directly with motorcycle safety, came in, and we had an opportunity to interview them at depth, taking that time to gain some additional information and really find out what the strengths are in Texas as far as their motorcycle safety program, and then identifying what where there might be some gaps, and that was our main purpose here. And the whole intent behind it is, if we identified gaps, those gaps were presented in our briefing, and they're presented in our report. And the intent is to make the motorcycle safety program in Texas just that much stronger. Some of the real strengths that we saw in the Texas program, especially in the Motorcycle Safety Coalition, that is such a powerful group, and they're very supportive, and they have passion for motorcycle safety. And I think that was the overlying what was presented to us, the Motorcycle Safety Coalition, and all the people that we talked to that represented that coalition, their passion in making Texas a safe place to ride motorcycles. That really impressed all of us.
We're looking for solutions, and we're looking for ways to save lives. In our state last year, 454 motorcyclists were killed on Texas highways. And with that, that's 15% of our overall fatalities for the state. And we know that there's a problem, and we're looking for a way and solutions to save lives. We're going to get a hold of the report. Once we get the report, we're going to look for ways of implementing some of these new ideas and new things that they've come up with. It's always good to get somebody else to come in and look at it. We've been working really hard with our program, but looking for different ideas, different solutions, and different things that are truly going to get our number of fatalities to start to come down rather than increase in our state. Because the best person to talk to a motorcyclist is a motorcyclist. And if we can get the message to one person and they spread that word on the things that they can do to be safer out on the roads, then that's even better. Grassroots is the best way to get this message across.